School is back in session, and with it being online, you are looking for ways to keep the kids on course. We welcome back to the mix Nadine with some great ideas. Ma.
50 times a day, 100 times a day.
I don't understand math.
Last time I was here was how to entertain your kids over spring break.
Yes.
And we're still entertaining them.
You are. This is really cool. You brought some great things here.
And a lot of stuff.
Yeah, a lot of stuff. Let's jump right into it.
Let's jump right in.
Yeah.
So this is a desk that you can make for your kids to write on. It's one of those lap desks, see, with a little puff. And Righty makes these reusable, restickable whiteboards you could cut, you could paste, and it's an excellent way for kids to Zoom with the whiteboard right on their lap.
Oh, I like that. And they're letting them do that. So a lot of things
they use
seeing
whiteboards all the time.
Okay.
Now this is a kid's balance ball chair from Gaim. You know, a lot of kids like to fidget and move.
Right.
This actually helps them focus better, and it also retains their posture.
Yes, I'm getting one for here.
Yeah, well, this is for little kids,
which
is great. Molecule purifier. I'm not going to explain why we need one because that's obvious, but most purifiers filter the air. This one destroys it. We're talking mold, fungus, bacteria, viruses. Enough said, right?
Yeah.
Enough said.
It's
right
great. There. All right.
To be decorated, you know, you got to make mom's living space nice. This is a great hanger from To Be Decorated. You could hang your kids' artwork. They have candles. They have art prints. It's also a great place for you to shop to gift your teacher.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
So
now I'm going to talk about indoor recess because it's pretty hot outside, right?
Yeah.
Plus are my kids' favorite toys. They are building blocks that you could basically make into anything, and they also come with instructions. This one you can make a fire truck, but my son, you know, he built this thing from Zelda. I promised I'd give him a shout out. But anyway, it keeps them busy forever. Now my little elementary school kids, they take music class on Zoom.
Yeah.
Teach your kids themselves. I know you wanted to pick up that cool guitar.
Yeah, this is awesome.
It is a 3-string guitar from Lug. It comes with an app that teaches them how to play and flashcards. Cool? All right, we have more to get to. Put it down.
All right, sorry.
All right, we're going to get to the bigger stuff that I could not bring in studio. The first thing is a cruiser bike for kids from 630. And it's just so cool.
Nice. How big is that bike?
You know, it's great for ages 8 to 12. It comes with so many different colors. Kids love them, and it's great for cruising around the desert, right?
Yeah.
You know, pretending you're at the beach.
So,
kind of.
Yeah.
All right.
Desert beach.
Whatever. So next, you know, a lot of parents, they're trying to find that perfect desk for their kids.
Yes.
This one is from Delta Children, and it seats more than one child. It seats 4 kids, but the desk itself is oversized, so it's great for siblings to sit and work together. Plus, it's under $100. And finally, an easel from Little Partners. This one's great because one side is a whiteboard, the other side is a chalkboard. It has underneath storage, and plus parchment paper that comes down so kids can draw on it.
Yeah, and I know this is some of the tools that I know a lot of the teachers are kind of like hoping the parents can get and can have on a budget.
A lot of this is fairly affordable.
Yeah.
You know, I do want to say that kidpreneurs.org is offering a digital experience for kids to learn how to become an entrepreneur. For under $10, you know, you're teaching your kids something that they wouldn't otherwise learn in the classroom. This is the actual book, but the digital experience comes with an audiobook and materials for them to use.
Nice.
It's pretty cool.
You're making money off the kids while they're home.
Why not?
Isn't it child labor?
I have one more to get to. Let's not go that far. No, they're stimulating their minds. They're thinking outside the box.
Mama needs some new shoes.
Don't say that.
Mama needs some new shoes. Daddy needs a new car.
Mama needs a spa day, but.
All right, what do we got here?
And finally, this is a storage container, but it also doubles as a stool. So kids can sit on it. And great thing about this guy, under $20.
Wow, this is all
I got through it all.
You did. You got through it all.
I don't think I missed anything.
No, he didn't. And this is all right there for people to go ahead and check out on their website.
Yes.
And where can they find out more?
You know, you could go to my Instagram, which is Mama and My Boys, because I've got 3 of them, and they're waiting for me to get home and teach them.
I know. How's that going?
It's going.
Ma, I don't understand this question. What's 2 plus 2?
It's going. It's
Ma,
like
what's 2 plus 2?
I'm going between one Zoom call to the other Zoom call to the other one.
4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5.
But
So, all right, thanks.
we're surviving.